Morning, Ken. Good morning. You're Bernasha Gloston? And were you able to get someone hired?
Yeah.
Were you able to get a lawyer hired?
I talked to 3 lawyers, like you said. I talked to Lori Perezzo, her assistant Catherine. She said 5,000 through 7,000 was their price. I talked to Brittany Holmes, her like that's the
Mm-hmm.
She said 3,000 to 5,000, and Dustin Garner is the one I'm considering going with. I talked to him through his main cell phone, and he said his prices was 8,500 to 3,500.
Okay. So we're...
Pause right here. Notice how every lawyer she talks to comes with a completely different price tag. This is classic in criminal defense. Fees vary based on reputation, caseload, and how complex they think the case will be. But the real tension? She's basically shopping for reasonable justice, trying to balance cost with trust. And in moments like these, the price isn't just about money. It's about hope, risk, and who you're willing to put your future in the hands of. Choosing a lawyer becomes more than a transaction. It becomes a gamble someone takes on your freedom. One wrong choice, and the consequences could follow you forever. So the question is, who would you pick in this situation?
How long do you think do you have the money to try to get him hired?
Me and him discussed the case already. I talked to my uncle, which is the one who helps me pay.
Mm-hmm.
He said that I can, get to, I can go for him if that's what I want. But the man, everything he says sounds convincing.
Sure. So if I reset your case one more time, you think y'all will be able to get Mr. Galmore hired?
Yes, ma'am. If not, then I'll have to get a court appointment.
Sure. And so, you did everything. If you think you can afford him, I'll give you about 30 days or so to see if y'all can get that worked out. If not, when you come back, remind me of what you've done, and also...
Wow, pause for a second. Look at this. Every lawyer she talks to comes with a completely different price tag. This is a classic reality in criminal defense. Fees fluctuate depending on reputation, caseload, and how tricky the lawyers think the case might be. But the tension here. She's essentially shopping for fair justice, and that search is stressful. If you were in her shoes, which lawyer would you choose? Here's your quick legal insight. The judge is offering a reset, a short grace period. Courts use this to give defendants a fair chance to hire counsel, but it also comes with a subtle warning. Too many resets, and the judge starts questioning intent or raising bonds. The clock is officially ticking.
To some others and bring me those names, because there may be some others that... Go ahead.
Sometimes they be a little busy, because I called several ones before that,
They are.
Lori Perezzo, she was busy that day because I think she was in court all day for criminal days.
Mm-hmm. You just have to keep trying them, but if you get him hired, bring the reset notice to him. If it's not going to work with him, talk to a few others, bring me those names, and then when you come back, we'll talk about a court appointed if that's not going to work out. Okay?
Yes.
All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you a reset notice. Kelby Blanchette? Good. Are you Kelby Blanchette?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Blanchette, did you get someone hired?
Yes, ma'am.
Who'd you hire?
Kimberly.
Is he going to be here this morning?
No, ma'am.
Did you pay him money?
Yes, ma'am. He gave me a receipt. I don't think he's gonna get it, but he gave me a receipt.
Huh? He is. So, do you still owe him some money? Is that when are you going to get that paid?
Friday, next Friday.
Okay. So did he say he would? I'm thinking you probably need to get him paid off, and then he'll send us the paperwork.
And on like $200.
Right. So what I'm going to do is reset your case one more time. That'll give you time to get him all paid off, and then...
This is one of the most relatable courtroom issues. Defendants often hire lawyers before fully paying them, and judges really dislike uncertainty. If the attorney isn't fully retained, the case can't move forward. Watch how the judge gently nudges him. Get the payment in, then the paperwork gets filed. Translation: no money, no representation. It sounds harsh, but that's the reality of the system.
He can file the paperwork and then that should take care of it, okay? Make sure you get that done and get a receipt and bring it with you next time, okay?
Can I have excuse for work?
Yes, sir, ask the clerk. Good morning, are you Kevin Calise? And Mr. Calise, this is your initial appearance in cause number 24, DCCR 1948. You're charged with theft of property from July 1st of 2024. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? Did you get someone hired already?
I've talked to somebody, but I'm willing to get somebody hired.
So what I'll do is reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire somebody. If you get someone hired before that next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of who you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you your reset notice. Diamond James.
On the phone.
Good morning, ma'am. You're Diamond James. And did you get someone hired? Speak up, please.
No, ma'am.
Who'd you talk to?
I spoke with Kyle Walker. He said 7,500, but no payment plans on the down payment.
Okay.
I spoke with James R. Macon.
Mm-hmm.
They said 7,500 as well. I spoke with Franklin and Associates. 10,000. The minimum is 7,500. 500 every 2 weeks, but the way the work has been going, the hours have not been 8 hours a day, so.
Right. So thank you for doing what I asked you. I'm going to let you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely because you're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct. So put whatever your bills are, whatever your income is, and then I'll take a look at it. If you step in front of the clerk, she'll give you that those instructions. Kingston Walker. Good morning. You're Kingston Walker. And Mr. Walker, you were previously here and given some time to hire a lawyer. Did you get someone hired?
I spoke to multiple lawyers and I chose a lawyer, but I just need time to afford the payment.
Who'd you talk to?
Defendants.
Okay, and you're planning on hiring Mr. Burbank?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, and you're working?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what I'll do is reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to see if you can get him hired. If you do, just bring that reset notice that you get today to him in his office and they'll tell you what to do. If for some reason it's not going to work out with Mr. Burbank, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 others. See if one of those works out. If fine, great. If not, bring me those names so I know you're trying, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you that reset notice. Tyron Williams. Good morning. You're Tyron Williams?
Ma'am.
And Mr. Williams, did you get someone hired?
Benjamin Jeffries, but I'm still trying to get some money together.
Okay, so you're planning on hiring Mr. Jeffries. Have you made any payments yet or not?
He won't half of it before he started doing it.
Okay, so what I'll do is reset your case about 30 days. Your case is getting old. It's indicted some time ago, and the offense date was obviously early last year, so you need to try to get him hired if you can before that next court date.
Okay.
If it's not going to work for some reason with Mr. Jeffries, make sure you talk to at least 3 other attorneys, and if you can't hire any of those, bring me those names so I know you're trying, and we'll discuss your options. Okay, step in front of the clerk, and if you'll put Jeffries on there as well, please. Thanks. Diamond Ollie. Yeah, Summer told me. If you'll call the name Diamond Ollie.
It's normal for lawyers to ask for half their fee up front. Defense cases require hours of strategy, meetings, filings, and negotiations, and money shows the client is serious. But here's the tension. Tyron's case is getting old, and the judge is clearly losing patience. When she points out that the offense happened last year, that's her way of saying, this case needs to move. The clock is ticking and everyone feels the pressure.
Diamond, Ollie.
I'm just wondering if I need to send an actual text message or something. Did you?
Texted. I called and told him, and then I sent him a message, and then I texted her since. She said, no response, y'all don't text.
All right, her bond will be forfeited for non-appearance and reset at 100,000. She did call and say she was having car trouble, so if she gets here, just let me know, and I'll recall that. Christian Ainsworth. Good morning, are you Christian Ainsworth?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Ainsworth, did you get someone hired?
I did talk to 3 attorneys.
Speak up.
No, ma'am, but I did talk to 3 attorneys.
Who'd you talk to?
The law office of James, Macon, attorney Williams, Marcus Wilkerson, and law office of Brittany.
Okay, and where are you on being able to get someone hired?
It's not looking likely, but I mean,
Are you working?
yes, ma'am, I am working.
Okay, where do you work?
Raising Cane's,
Okay, full-time?
part-time.
All right. What do you do the other part-time?
I was in school, just, right now I'm in school.
You're not in school? Sounds like you need to go get another part-time if you're not in school,
I mean, this one,
right?
this one.
I mean, it'd be great if you were in school.
It would, I was thinking about going back this semester, but my mind hasn't been in the right spot.
Okay. Obviously, you know that that'll help you and get your mind in the right spot if you're all that extra time you have is doing nothing to get your mind in a better place, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to reset your case one more time. See if you can save. Listen.
I feel like, God, I want to say something.
What?
I just feel like my life on hold with this case. Like, it's been getting reset. Like, and I just,
You want to know why it's getting reset?
because you give me time to find a lawyer.
Right. Go get another job. If you're working part-time, you have time to get another job.
It's not that.
And if you're working 2 jobs and you still can't afford one, I'll give you a court-appointed attorney. But I'm not just going to hand it to you because you're hanging out for 3/4 of the day and working part-time at Raising Cane's.
I want to get any day.
This is the emotional breaking point. Christian is basically saying, my life is on hold, and the judge fires back with a hard legal reality. Resets exist to give him time to hire counsel, but courts don't have much patience for idle defendants. Her message is blunt but fair. Show effort or you risk losing options. It's a tug-of-war between personal struggle and the strict rules of the legal system. Raw, tense, and honestly a little heartbreaking.
I just don't work. That's fine. No excuses.
No excuses. Bring me do 2 things for me. Number 1, try to get more hours there. Bring me a pay stub to show me what you're doing when you come back. Talk to some other attorneys just to see what they charge so you have some options. And see if there's something else out there and just tell me where you've applied for some other jobs, all right? Show me that you're trying harder and then I'll help you. Does that make sense? Step in front of the clerk, she'll give you a reset notice.